Welcome to Alvinsa Studio. Today we take you to Keller, Texas, where industrial design meets modern elegance in a stunning tiny container home. With its industrial modern aesthetic, this home stands as a perfect example of how shipping containers can be transformed into stylish, functional living spaces. Blending urban style with cozy charm, this home is more than just a living space, it's an experience. Get ready to discover every incredible detail of this tiny container home with industrial modern flair in Keller, Texas. Only on Alvinsa Studio. Lone Star Stay is thrilled to release its most recent newly renovated shipping container home. This brand new tiny home boasts of comfort and style. With an industrial modern theme, you will find yourself inspired by the decor and relaxed by the touches of luxury throughout the home. Whether you are traveling for business or coming for a weekend escape, we invite you to share in our countryside peace and quiet while also being able to experience so many citywide conveniences nearby. This Airbnb is perfect for those wanting to experience luxury but in the most unique way. Our unit is ideal for business travelers, explorers, and everyone in between. We pride ourselves on keeping the place extremely clean and providing you with above and beyond amenities to make your stay as comfortable as possible. This newly renovated 350-square-foot shipping container sits tucked away behind our main house and is surrounded by a small urban farm. Consider our location a quiet oasis in the midst of the suburbs and surrounding big cities. You won't believe how centrally and conveniently located we are to so many DFW points of interest. We encourage you to sit outside and take in the fresh air from your private deck or enjoy strolling down the lane to see the cows. In the kitchen, you have a mini fridge, a dishwasher, Brita water filter, toaster oven, and induction cooktop. We also have an espresso machine, electric kettle, and French press, along with tea and instant coffee available for you. All appliances are brand new, as well as all the dishes and silverware. Please make yourself at home, although with the unique dining district in Roanoke being just a few miles away, who wants to cook? In addition to our main heat and air unit, we have a ceiling fan and mini vortex fan as well as a space heater available for your convenience. There is a bathroom with a shower and brand new dual flush toilet dividing the living room from the bedroom where a comfortable queen-size bed awaits you, complete with soft bamboo linens and extra covers. A wall-mounted flat-screen smart TV is located in the living room. Wi-Fi is available. The location is 3.3 miles to Roanoke, the dining capital of Texas, 6.3 miles to Texas Motor Speedway, 6 miles to South Lake Town Center, 13 miles to DFW Airport, 24 miles to Love Field Airport, 12 miles to Fort Worth Stockyards, and 28 miles to American Airlines Convention Center, which is the heart of Dallas. Plus, it's just 1 mile from excellent coffee. Please note that this home is completely shoe-free inside. They do provide shoe covers for you if you just can't bear to go bare. They care about your comfort and strive to keep as many toxins and as much dirt out of this unit as possible, so you can be at peace knowing you are in a place that is as clean as can be. They also want you to feel comfortable letting your small children crawl on the floor. This booking is completely private. It includes 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom with shower, kitchen, dinette, living room, and patio with new patio furniture. They have an adult occupancy max of 2, but can accommodate an infant under 12 months if needed. Guests have private access to the entire home. Outside areas that are not available to guest roaming will be marked by signs. This tiny container home is a perfect blend of industrial edge and modern comfort, proving that great design comes in all sizes. From its smart layout to its bold architectural details, this home redefines small space living with style and efficiency. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more stunning architectural inspirations. Stay creative, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring extraordinary spaces.